Good afternoon, this is Sarita Jha. Today I am going to teach you types of research or methods of research. The next method of research is exploratory research. Exploratory research, as the name only suggests, whenever the researcher wanting to find out the new things or wanted to explore a new concept, then he will conduct an exploratory research. Example, a study into the role of social networking sites as an effective marketing communication channel. Therefore, social networking sites will definitely effective integrated marketing communication or not, that could be find out with the help of exploratory research. Next one is causal research. In that case, you have to understand the increasement of one variable can cause the decrease in another variable. So this is called a causal research. Rebranding will help the customer to retain with the or to develop the loyalty of the customer with that specific brand. That is also a research topic. So putting the positive impact on the work environment of an employee, or it is a negative impact, that we have to find out. For finding out such kind of solution to a problem, we are conducting what? Causal research. The next type of research is quantitative and qualitative research. What is quantitative research and what is qualitative research? Next one we are having is the qualitative research. As the name only suggests, it is based on quality or features of a research problem. Quantitative research is basically an exploratory research. It is basically used to find out the underlying reasons or opinion behind a specific problem. The result achieved from this type of research is more logical, statistically valid, and unbiased in nature. So it is always advisable while conducting a research to do a quantitative research because it is having included statistics.